and get on the bottom piston, which makes it a lot easier. So you want to slowly push those back all the way till they stop. That's good. Now, next thing you want to do, there's the sliders right here and right there. You want to make sure that the caliper can slide back and forth just like that. Because if it can't, something's wrong with your sliders. Alright? Next step. You got 2 bolts. As you can see that, we got them pushed all the way back. So the next step is we're going to take off not both bolts. You're going to take off one. Let's get this bottom one off.